Graded Card Investor.
The top 15 highest selling Panini Prizm Silver Parallel NBA cards that recently sold on eBay. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more sports card content. Number 15, 2012 Panini Prizm Klay Thompson Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 203. Graded BGS 9.5, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on March 14th for $3,827. Number 14, 2012 Panini Prizm Anthony Davis Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 236. Graded BGS 9, mint condition. Sold at auction on April 20th for $3,950. Number 13, 2014 Panini Prizm Joel Embiid Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 253. Graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on April 18th for $4,616. Number 12, 2019 Panini Prizm Zion Williamson Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 248. Graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on April 14th for $5,757. Number 11, 2012 Panini Prizm Damian Lillard Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 245. Graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on May 24th for $5,762. Number 10, 2015 Panini Prizm Nikola Jokic Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 335. Graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on March 12th for $6,000. Number 9, 2012 Panini Prizm Kyrie Irving Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 201. Graded BGS 9.5, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on May 9th for $6,100. Number 8, 2015 Panini Prizm Devin Booker Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 308. Graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on April 21st for $6,300. Number 7, 2017 Panini Prizm Jason Tatum Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 16. Graded BGS 10, pristine condition. Sold at auction on March 22nd for $6,900. Number 6, 2012 Panini Prizm Kevin Durant Silver Prizm, number 35. Graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on March 14th for $11,211. Number 5, 2012 Panini Prizm Kawhi Leonard Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 209. Graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on May 28th for $12,865. Number 4, 2012 Panini Prizm Kobe Bryant Silver Prizm, number 24. Graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on March 31st for $15,555. Number 3, 2013 Panini Prizm Giannis Antetokounmpo Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 290, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on April 21st for $30,700. Number 2, 2012 Panini Prizm LeBron James Silver Prizm number 1, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Sold at auction on March 21st for $39,189. Number 1, the highest selling Panini Prizm Silver Prizm Parallel recently sold is the 2018 Panini Prizm Luka Doncic Silver Prizm Rookie Card, number 280, graded BGS 10, pristine condition, sold at auction on April 21st for $40,100. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more sports card content. Thanks for watching!